to serve him. Even though the road was narrow, I started swerving. I was a hot boy, carry a Glock toy. I had to give my life to Christ and then stop, boy. Me and God, we peace in the pod, nothing can stop us. Running through your neck of the woods, see what your block does.
Wow, my God is so awesome. Paid for my sins and his son is what it cost him. Can't trust man, about as far as I could toss him. Put my faith in Jesus, watch your boys like water walking. So I'm walking, trying to spread this message. I might tweet it, I might text it, shoot, I might just UPS it. You ask me how I'm doing, and this is what I say to you. God has done so much for me, so let me try to name a few.
Cause he died for us, cause he cried for us, cause the Spirit of God, he lives inside of us. He took the rap for us, he took a slap for us. They put him in the grave in 3 days, he came back for us.
He's a God of the city. He's my Savior, he's a God of the town.
That's when I ride for my Lord, stay hard to the core. Bring his word to your boy, let you know about the Christ the Lord. How he died for your boy, how he went to a war on death is no more. I'ma stay on his course with the stamina of a horse. Shook a shame with the force, keep my brain on his choice. Cause my life ain't no tour, I ain't getting another one. So I ride for my boy, the only holy son.
My God is bigger than a megaton, more powerful than atom bombs. He's fighting evil that's more diabolical than Megatron. Salvation through the Son of God, and Christ is not an avatar. Pisces, that's a myth that's put to sleep just like a rabbit dog. I rep the tetragrammaton, I'm rapping in the name of God. Life is not a sprint, but it's a journey like a marathon. Sometimes we see that life is hard, but in the dark I'm staying strong. I